And welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this fantastic Renault Clio. This is the 0.9 TCE Dynamique S Nav, finished in the really lovely red metallic paint. You've got the sporty 17-inch alloy wheels with the black. It looks really nice, this car. You have got tinted windows as well, and you've got the body coloured rear spoiler at the back. You've got full LED headlights at the front as well. And inside the boot you can see you have got a decent sized boot in there, even though it is a smaller car. So on the back bumper you can see you have got the rear parking sensors as well, so it's perfect for keeping your lovely car nice and safe. And it is 5-door, so it would be perfect as a small family car. Inside the back you can see it's in a lovely condition. You've got the lovely black cloth. There's no marks or tears in the fabric either. And there's your LED lights. So we'll get in and I can show you some of the features on the inside. So inside you've got the touchscreen Renault Media Nav. So you have got the sat nav built in. It's really clear and easy to use, a really good size screen as well. You've also got your DAB radio for all your music needs. You've also got the driving eco report, so you can see how well you're driving. And underneath you've got all your climate control down here. That has got auto climate control on it as well. And you've got the one-touch demist function. You have got your manual gear down here, and you've got your eco mode button here, so you can pop it into eco mode just to save yourself some fuel consumption. You've also got the hands-free key card with the push button start-stop function. I'll just give you a close look at the seats. As you can see, they are in a really lovely condition. And this car's covered just over 29,000 miles from new. You've got your steering wheel here. You have got cruise control with a speed limiter. And you've got your multi-function options down here. You've got power folding mirrors as well. So it's perfect for giving you that extra bit of security. And you've got electric front and rear windows as well. So I really hope you like the car. If you're interested or you have any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.